How to open Google Docs on desktop. First of all, open any web browser on your computer such as Chrome, Firefox or Edge. In the address bar at the top, type docs.google.com and press enter. This will take you directly to the Google Docs homepage. If you are not signed in already, you will be prompted to log in with your Google account. Enter your email and password, then click Next to access the main Google Docs interface. Once you are signed in, you will see a dashboard showing your recent documents along with templates like blank documents, resume, reports, and more. To open a document, simply click on any of the files listed on the home page. If you want to create a new one, click on the blank document with the plus icon at the top left. Everything you work on will be saved automatically to your Google Drive, and you can access it anytime from the same page by visiting docs.google.com. And that's it. Now you know how to open Google Docs on desktop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.